A sign of spring tomorrow. Boyd Lake State Park in Loveland opens to boaters, believe it or not, for the season. Chief Meteorologist Mike Nelson joins us now. I can't believe it's already that time.
Might want to use the wetsuit if you're doing some water skiing.
Yeah, maybe keep it out of the water for at least another month or two.
Nice evening. We had a beautiful sunset once again. I want to show you why. Had some high clouds over Colorado. There's signs of a little bit of a change coming up in our weather. We just have to be patient for that change. So here's how it looked from our camera out at City Park at the Denver Museum of Nature and Science. Nice reflection off the lake there and some good looking color in the sky for at least a brief time this evening. Temperature right now, after a high of 64 and a low this morning of 27, normals at 52 and 24. Readings are still pretty mild. It's 50 downtown, 49 degrees out at the airport. Pressure falling slowly and the winds are out of the west at 8 miles per hour. Had a little warm front move through. That's what brought us those high clouds. This cold front is our next real weather maker. For tonight, we're going to be mostly clear. The high clouds kind of pushing off to the east of us and very mild across the state ahead of that approaching cold front. Low temperatures are going to be at freezing in the Denver area, if not a little bit warmer. 34 Fort Collins, 35 Colorado Springs, 33 out at Akron. Along the Front Range, the temperatures are going to be in the upper 30s at Boulder and even Evergreen, mid-30s, Highlands Ranch and Broomfield, and up in the mountains, mid-20s. Tomorrow morning starts out, I think, mostly sunny, and then we'll get more high clouds that will develop later on in the day, especially over the eastern plains. Sunny and warm across much of the state. The cold front just entering northwest Colorado late in the day. So in advance of it, it's going to be warm, it's going to be a little bit windy, and at least across the northern sections of the state, northern Weld County, Logan County, and out across the border counties of Kansas, Nebraska, high fire danger expected for tomorrow. Look at some of the temperatures. Low 70s, La Junta and Lamar, 65 degrees in Denver. In the mountains, it'll be mid-40s and even a few low 50s for tomorrow. 32 tonight, mostly clear, not as cold. For tomorrow, the high temperature getting up to 65 degrees, warm and dry conditions with high clouds expected, gusty southwest winds. Tomorrow night at 6 p.m., high clouds. By the time we get to midnight, here comes that front pushing into the northern mountains. Some light snow develops. By early on Saturday morning, about 2 to 4 inches of snow in the mountains. Just partly cloudy, but the wind shift become northerly on the plains. There could be, midday Saturday, a brief little sprinkle or flurry. I don't think it'll amount to much. Mountains will still see some snow showers, and by late in the day Saturday, that's all pretty much gone. So the extended forecast, tomorrow is at 65. Cooler on Saturday with some gusty winds from the north and a few showers possible, few inches of snow as I showed you in the mountains. Sunday is at 50 with clearing skies. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, going back up into the 60s by the middle part of next week. No major big soggy storms are currently in the forecast through the next 7 days, although looking out about 10 days, I do see the pattern shifting a bit, and it will bring it back some much needed moisture to Colorado.